Please.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
क्या नाम है आपका?
My name is Nurul Kamar.
What does it mean?
Moonlight, it's an Arabic word, Nurul and Kamar. Kamar is
Moonlight.
right.
Very nice.
Very good. And you are from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
And you studied in Jamia Millia Mislia?
Yes, sir.
And then SRCC.
Yes.
Okay. Tell us what happened in Jamia Millia.
So there were some protests going on against the Citizenship Amendment Act. It turned somewhat violent, and police had to resort to control the violence.
Was there some violence from the students or from the police?
I think there must have been some violence from the protesters. There may be genuine protesters or some miscreants among the protesters. After that, police had to resort to force to control the situation to maintain the
violence.
And do you support the police entering the library and resorting to the kind of violence they did? Well, you must be following this debate in media. What is your feeling? Truthfully, honestly.
Sir, India is sovereign country and police is the representative of a state. It has right to enter any part of country, but it should respect the autonomy of institutions. If it turns violent and if it questions the integrity of India and law and order situation, police can enter it. Apart from that, commenting sitting here is easy, but when it comes to maintaining law and order on the ground, it's difficult to take a call.
You are from Bihar.
Yes, sir.
What are the strengths of Bihar? Strengths.
Strength. Its people are very accommodating.
One. Next.
Second, people are
Accommodating in what sense?
so there is no much discrimination among them.
I'm not very sure, but please move to the next.
Second, people of Bihar are hardworking and
Yet it is the poorest state in the country.
yes, sir.
Next strength.
Apart from that, it is the cultural hub of India. Most of the religions owe some origin to Bihar. Apart from that, it has produced great leaders in Ashok and Bimbisar and all.
Okay, okay. Do you have anything else to add? One more.
Apart from that, I'm not sure.
Okay, okay. You have done commerce and
Yes, sir.
accountancy.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the system of accounting followed in the government in India
Yes, sir.
and by the private companies?
Yes.
What is the difference?
So government follows the cash-based accounting. When the cash comes or when it is spent, then only government records it. And private sector operates on accrual basis. When the expense happens or when the revenue accrues, they record it.
There are some technical terms which
Accrual accounting and cash-based accounting.
single entry, double entry.
Yes.
These are also the correct terms.
Yes, sir.
Which one is better?
I think for more accurate recording, the double entry system is
Double
better.
entry system
Yes.
is better. So should government switch to double entry system from single entry, from cash based accounting?
So there are practical difficulties.
Like?
Suppose the accounts of the government are huge and it becomes difficult to record every transaction when it happens. There are many cases going on, so recording and reversing the entry would be difficult.
You know about sea water. We have sea around India,
Yes.
oceans,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
What are the names? The oceans
Oceans.
around India.
So there is Arabian Sea, there is Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal.
So we have enough water, according to you.
Yes.
Now I have heard that they can change sea water to drinking water, right?
Yes.
And we are short of water.
Yes, ma'am.
So why don't we just put these requisite ships and change it? and drink water? Is there a problem?
So, desalinization of ocean water involves cost. Apart from that, there are environmental concerns. When we desalinize water, there are many impurities which gets dumped in and around ocean. It has been observed in Saudi Arabia and UAE that where the desalination plant is operating, there are no much marine life there. Apart
Marine
from
life
that,
dies.
yes, ma'am.
That's what they've seen.
Yes, ma'am.
But you know, I know about a ship which is in the Pacific Ocean near Japan, which is owned by America, and all their forces, which are very big in number, are drinking seawater changed into drinking water. So they didn't have any problem. Japan is right across.
So, ma'am, it's a secluded place. There may not be that much human. They may not require that much water than serving the entire country.
Okay, doesn't matter, but we can try it out because we are falling short of groundwater, we are falling short of drinking water, so we can try the seawater.
Yes, ma'am, we can try, but apart from that, there appears some